Hi everybody, so it's Monday today and I don't know, I was walking to school right now and like look at me. I don't even remember when was the last time that we had so much snow in Prague. So I like decided just now that I'm going to film a week in my life sort of. Yeah, and yeah. I gotta work it. Okay, hi. I'm going to. Oh my god, there's so much snow, but I'm going to get my braces checked. I'm running late, so I'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh my god, oh my god. They took my braces off. Like, they didn't tell me. I just went there because like one of the thingies fell off. So I went there just because of that, and I thought they will just stick it on again. And then he was like, oh, it fell off, so we will take off your braces today. And I was like, what? Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh my god. But yeah, now I'm going to my French class because I'm trying to improve my French. And without my braces. Okay, so I got home, I finished my French courses and got home. Then I jumped into the shower, made some food. Also, I realized that I got so busy that I forgot to have some lunch, so yeah, so I made some pasta. And now I'm just going to edit the video from mountains, and then I still have like so much homework, but I think that I'm just not going to do it because I don't want to. I don't want to go to school. Thank you. Bye-bye. Say hello.
Hi, this is too small for me because I'm otesánek.
To je fakt strašný.
Jules! I'm gonna make you a tour. Here's my locker. I can go there. Let's go now. Go here. Go. It's open. This is our school. It's so beautiful.
Oh, Carolina.
This is me.
Hi everybody, I'm home. Today it was a very kinetic day. I went to school and we had so many tests that I didn't film that much. Right now I got ready. I'm wearing all black and I'm going to a concert with my friends. But it's Tuesday, so we won't stay for long. I have a test tomorrow from biology and I didn't even read it once, which is great, but I will talk to you tomorrow. Good morning. So, I literally just fell. Today is Wednesday. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have snow everywhere. Today is Wednesday. And I'm on my way to school. I skipped the first 2 periods because after the concert yesterday, I just was very, very tired. And yeah, today is not a really interesting day. But in the evening, I'm going to another concert of the neighborhood. And I'm so excited. But yeah, I will talk to you some other time. got home. Today was a really fast day in school. I didn't film like anything, but now I have to get ready because I'm going to the concert of the neighborhood. So I will talk to you tomorrow. Okay, so I just got home. Today was just so exhausting. I mean, it was fun, but I didn't film at all today because after the concert, I wanted to like sleep in and skip the first period, but I had a test which I had to take, so I had to wake up. I had to wake up at 6 o'clock. And then the first hour I took the test, it was terrible. I didn't know anything. The next lesson, we had a surprise test, so that was great too. But then after school, I had my French tutoring, which I came home from now, and it was great. But I just was so tired, so she was talking to me in French, and I was like, "Oh, oui." And she's like, "You're tired, right?" And I'm like, "Yeah." So today it was just very exhausting, but now I'm just going to do my homework and go to bed. Yeah, that's it for me today. See you tomorrow. Okay, so it's Friday today and I just got back home from school, and guess what? I didn't film anything today. Today was actually a really good day. I had 2 tests, but it was good. But today is also my sister's 19th birthday, so we're going to celebrate probably with my family. But yeah, that's it. Everyone, so it's the next morning. I wanted to end the vlog yesterday, but we were celebrating my sister's birthday and I didn't want to like interrupt the family time, so I'm going to end the video right here. And yeah, I will see you next week. Oh shoot! To nikdo nevšimne. Čeho? Ty nemáš to nikdo nevšimne. Okay. Just say it. Look at me. Look at me. Oh! Whoa. Yeah, it's my braces. They took them.
Oh, gee, that even.